Paper read. Single-headed attention. RNN. Stop thinking with your head. By Stephen Merity. First point. Introduction. Language has been a thorn in humanity's side since we evolved a complex enough audio and graphics processing unit to ground, let alone write cryptocurrency white papers or opinion columns. Language has been found at the core of every human conflict in history, from world wars, culinary and otherwise, to the Great Border Skirmish in 2008 between you and your neighbor. Many are of the opinion that language has redeeming features. They claim with scant evidence that language could contain useful knowledge far beneath the surface wasteland of memes and colorful insults we usually see. Use of life might theoretically be found deep under the ice of Jupiter's moon Europa. Many fight against the homogenization of language by dividing and conquering as they did in the Tower of Babel era. See JavaScript frameworks. Regardless of how you feel about language, a gambler will expect language to exist for at least few more years and is thus a worthy field of study. 1.1 Language is humanity's longest running program. Perhaps the most surprising revelation of natural language processing and language modeling is just how richly embedded knowledge is in the standard text we write, the words we speak, and the ways in which we communicate. History, wisdom, and computation are transcribed in the most boring of minutiae whether we intend to capture it or not. It's important to realize that language is far more than just human language as well. Language spans every form of encoding, symbol, sig, or sound. Many of the complexities and process in the world can be rewritten into language, whether the source is artificially produced. Decoding the image of a CRT monitor via band arc freaking, or naturally produced, as you might expect this text to be. The concept of natural language extends far beyond the boundaries we might have put down for it in centuries past. What we learn from trying to predict these patterns tends to be a rich source of knowledge, intended or otherwise.